central Dubuque County in northeastern Iowa until 5:30 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Finley's Landing Park to Bryan, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dubuque, Lena, Asbury, Savannah, Bellevue, Stockton, East Dubuque, Preston, Hanover, Elizabeth, Woodbine, Sabula, Miles, Scales Mound, Apple River, Lamont, Menominee, Richardsville, Carroll, and Springbrook. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois and northeastern and east central Iowa. This is Noah's West Radio, ZZ57 in Rockford.
Okay, first SVR of the day. Tornado watch.
And now includes the following counties: Stevenson, Illinois. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
No doubleheader.
Tornado.
It loves to do that. Tornado watch. Whoa. Whoa.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 120, effective in the morning. 10 p.m.
Nothing?
This watch includes the following counties in Illinois.
Oh. Where are they going to tell them that?
Tornado watch for Lakeville. 3.4 inches, which is 7.2 inches millimeters, and the total snowfall since July 1st is 30, which is 24.2 inches
Yep.
below. Northeastern Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin. County in Iowa County in south central Wisconsin. Southwestern until 6:45 p.m. At 6:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Argonne, or 11 miles west of Monroe, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include New Glarus, Argyle, Blanchardville, South Wayne, Hellandale, Woodford, and Jordan Center. Other landmarks included are the following location: York Memorial Church. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south central Wisconsin.
Bro, WWF 34 trying to pull up. What the hell? Severe thunderstorm.
Eastern Jodhpur County in northwestern Illinois. Eastern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois. Wilson County in northwestern Illinois until 8:15 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm is located over Center Hill near Mount Carroll, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Mount Carroll, Savannah, Lena, Stockton, Leonard, Pearl City, Canyon, Centerville, Davis, Dakota, Winslow, Rock City, Mora, Argo, Faith, Lena Vista, Lawrence, Rock Road, Oneida, and Orangeville. Remain alert for possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy This is North Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in
Let's fix the
Rockford.
reception a little bit. Okay. SVR or TOA? TOR. That's SVR.
County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin until 8:45 p.m. At 7:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Blanchardville to near Nora, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Verona, Mount Horeb, Belleville, New Glarus, Monticello, Blanchardville, Barneville, Bloomhouse, Ridgeway, Glendale, Town, Gordon Center, and Mount Vernon. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Memorial Church. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south central Wisconsin. This is North Weather Radio, KZZ. Tornado warning for northeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Green County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin until 8:30 p.m. At 7:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Argyle, or 12 miles east of Darlington, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will be tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include New Glarus, Argyle, Blanchardville, and Woodford. Other landmarks included are the following locations: York Memorial Church. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is North Weather Radio.
Hold on. Green and Rock.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, western Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 8:45 p.m. At 8:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Newton to 7 south of Monroe to Cedarville to near Freeport, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Evansville, Brodhead, Belleville, Orfordville, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Footsville, Magnolia, Dayton, Attica, Cooksville, Avon, and Judah. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south central Wisconsin. A severe building.
There we go. They finally toned it.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Oakland County in north central Illinois until 8:45 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Shannon to roofs, siding, and trees. The thunderstorms will be near Mount Morris and Forest around 8:25 p.m. Locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Adeline, River, and Baileyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north central Illinois. National Weather Service.
Okay, so lot being fashionably late. That's nice. Well, yep, first lot SVR. Stephenson County and Joe Davies decided to pull up.
Illinois, Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois until 9:15 p.m. At 8:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Adams Grove to near Bolton, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Lena, Stockton, Warren, Pearl City, Cedarville, Davis, German Valley, Windsor, Rock City, Rydot, Warren, Buena Vista, Lauren, Rock Grove, Oneto, Orangeville, Kent, and Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Moving indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding.
What?
Do not drive your vehicle through
I might
flooded
get my first
roadways.
flash flood warning soon.
The tornado watch remains in
We'll see.
effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern Illinois. This is NOAA's weather.
Okay. A lot did the...
Baker County in north central Illinois until 9:30 p.m. At 8:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near German Valley to near Mount Morris to near Oregon, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Byron, Oregon, impacting around 8:40 p.m. Winnebago and Stillman Valley around 8:45 p.m. Rockford Airport and Davis Junction around 8:50 p.m. Loves Park, McChesney Park, and Cherry Valley around 9 p.m. Roscoe and Rockton around 9:05 p.m. South Beloit around 9:10 p.m. Beloit around 9:15 p.m. Including the following interstates: Interstate 36 between mile markers 100 and 123. Interstate 90 between markers 0 and 18. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once to the base of a small central room and a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north central Illinois. The National Weather Service.
Alright. Okay, MKX.
South
Trying to
central
listen to
Wisconsin,
some
northwestern
music.
South central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin until 9:15 p.m. 8:39 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Brooklyn or near Evansville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. flying debris. The National
Bro, come on. Come on. Come on.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Central Wisconsin, south central Wisconsin, eastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 3 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near DeForest to near Oregon to near Broadhead, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Janesville, Beloit, Sun Prairie, Pittsburgh, Middleton, Thornton, Fort Atkinson, Waukee, Oregon, South Beloit, McFarland, Monona, Windsor, Lake Mills, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Marshall, and Waterloo. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Wisconsin, capital. Main alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go into the basement or small central room of a sturdy structure. Protect and move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south central Wisconsin. The National Weather Service.
What did they issue this time?
National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. In southeastern Wisconsin, advisory. Now here is the forecast.
Yep, there it is.
Northwest wind 15 to 20 miles per hour with up to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%. Friday night, partly cloudy evening, then becoming mostly clear. The following lows before Thursday. Saturday. Mostly clear. High to be 50. Issued a special marine warning for Saturday night, mostly clear. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. Sunday night, clear. Lows in the upper 30s.
In northeast a gusty thunderstorm was located near Rockford Airport, or 14 nautical miles west of Montrose Harbor, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: automated observations. The wind gust of 39 knots was measured at Chicago O'Hare Airport, and the wind gust of 34 knots was measured at New Orleans Airport. Gusty thunderstorm.
This is NOAA Weather Radio KG.
Drastically damaged to briefly higher winds
Our
west
website
of higher waves.
the weather
Locations include Harrison Harbor,
The current
Jefferson Harbor, Milton
Central
Harbor,
Daylight
31st Street Harbor, Montrose
You are
Harbor,
presenting Central Daylight Time weather conditions.
Harbor, Brenham Harbor,
In Michigan.
59th Street.
Central Daylight Time. Gusty showers will located 10 miles southwest of Calumet Harbor, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar and automated observations. Wind gusts in excess of 35 knots have been associated with the band of showers. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Indiana Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Burns Harbor, Marina Shores Essen Harbor, and Hammond Marina. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to
knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar and automated observation. Wind gusts in excess of 35 knots are associated with the band of showers. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Indiana Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Burns Harbor, Marina Shores Essen Harbor, and Hammond Marina. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for near-shore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:06 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Burns Harbor, moving east-northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Buffalo and Michigan City. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This includes the turnaround time. This variability, normally more noticeable than a distant open transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This includes the turnaround time. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Elkhart County, Indiana, central LaGrange County in northeastern Indiana until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Topeka or near Ligonier, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include LaGrange, Topeka, Millersburg, Susquehanna, Hunneville, Howe, Plato, Ontario, and Emma. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 116 and 123. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart and LaGrange. This is NOAA Weather Radio KJ 162 report. The city is 46 degrees. And the nearshore marine forecast for the following: New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan. Small craft advisory in effect through late tonight. Rest of today, south wind 15 to 20 knots becoming southwest. Gusts up to 25 knots. A chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms late this morning. Waves 1 to 3 feet building to 2 to 4 feet. Tonight, southwest wind 15 to 20 knots becoming west 10 to 15 knots. Gusts up to 25 knots. Mostly cloudy. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Thursday, west wind 5 to 10 knots becoming north. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Thursday night, north wind 5 to 15 knots becoming northwest. Showers. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Wind and waves higher in this thunderstorm. The water temperature at St. Joseph is 47 degrees and at Michigan City is 46 degrees. And the nearshore marine forecast or the following counties: Harbor, Illinois, Gary, Indiana, Gary, Vermont, Indiana, and Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Small craft advisory in effect through late tonight. Rest of today. Southwest wind to 30 knots with occasional gales to 35 knots becoming west late. Scattered showers and thunderstorms.
The stage was 10.3 feet. The river is expected to fall below flood stage early next week. The flood warning continues for Kankakee River from near Interstate 65 and Dama downstream to Illinois/and state line, including the Shelby Gauge. Until Saturday morning, at 8:45 a.m. Wednesday, the stage was 10.9 feet. The river is expected to fall below flood stage Saturday morning. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of north central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For today and tonight, minor flooding will continue in a few locations near larger rivers. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Thursday, limited flooding risk east of Interstate 55. Friday, limited non-thunderstorm wind risk. Saturday, limited thunderstorm risk. Monday and Tuesday, limited thunderstorm risk. Discussion: locally heavy rainfall is possible Thursday east of Interstate 55, including northwest Indiana. Minor flooding will continue in a few locations near larger rivers. In addition, the rainfall late tonight through Thursday night will likely lead to renewed rises and additional flooding on rivers as well as in low-lying or flood-prone areas. Spotter information statement: spotter activation will not be necessary through tonight. At 10 a.m. at Voltaire Airport, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 59 degrees. The dew point was 41. And the relative humidity was 51%. The wind was calm. The pressure was 29.94 inches and falling. Elsewhere around the area, it was 54 in Aurora and Bloomington. Rain was falling at Midway Airport, Wheeling, Joliet, and Morris. At Peru, Pontiac, rain was falling.
This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm.
Mixed precipitation
During
was
periods
falling.
of potentially severe
At
weather,
Kankakee,
special
it was
receivers
cloudy.
are activated to
Some
warn of
conditions
any
around the
hazard.
Midwest.
Tests
Snow
for
was
these
falling
receivers are
with a
normally
temperature of
conducted by
35
the
at
National Weather
Rockford,
Service every
33
Wednesday
at Madison,
between
Wisconsin,
11 a.m.
and
and noon.
36 at Moline.
When there is a threat of severe
Springfield,
weather on
rain was
Wednesday,
falling
the
with
test
a
will be
temperature of
postponed until
37.
the first available good
In
weather day.
Milwaukee, it was cloudy
Reception of
with
this
a temperature
broadcast
of
and the warning
36.
alarm will vary at any
Once
given
again,
location.
at O'Hare it was
This
36
variability,
with hail and
normally
light
more
rain.
noticeable at greater distances from
Here
the
is the
transmitter,
forecast
will
for the
occur
Chicago
even though you are using a
metropolitan
good
area.
quality receiver in
Winter
perfect
weather
working
advisory
condition.
in effect until
The
noon
NOAA
today
alert will
for
be
McHenry
automatically
County.
activated for selected
Today,
watches and
snow and
warnings
rain.
affecting the following
Minor
counties:
slushy accumulations
in
up to an
Indiana,
inch in the
Porter,
northwest and
LaPorte,
west
St.
suburbs.
Joseph, Elkhart,
Highs in the upper
LaGrange,
30s.
Savannah, Star,
West winds
Marshall,
10 to 20 miles
Kosciuszko,
per hour in the
Noble,
morning,
DeKalb,
becoming northwest
Woodley,
in the
Allen,
afternoon.
Miami, Wabash,
Gusts up to
Huntington,
30 miles
Wells,
per hour.
Adams, Grant,
Chance of
Blanford,
precipitation
Glasgow,
100%.
and Jay.
Tonight,
In Ohio,
cloudy.
Williams,
Rain
Fulton,
likely
Defiance,
with a chance of
Henry,
snow in the
Spalding,
evening. Then
and Van
rain
Wert.
and snow likely after
And in
midnight.
Michigan, Berrien,
Little or no
Cass,
new snow
St.
accumulation.
Joseph, Branch, and
Nearly
Oakdale.
steady temperatures in
For
the
more
mid-30s.
information, see our webpage at
North winds 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles
on
per hour.
NOAA Weather Radio under local
Chance of
information.
precipitation
We
70%.
now return to regular
Thursday,
programming.
rain and snow likely in the morning, then rain likely in the afternoon. Blustery with highs in the lower 40s.
Now here is the
North winds
hazardous weather.
50.
Especially quick receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending blizzard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois will be activated for watches and a warning. As well as counties in northwest Indiana, reception of this will vary in any given location. This variability normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter. will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm cast receiver. We will now return to our regular program. Concludes the tone alarm cast. We will now return to our regular program. Here is the forecast for the Chicago. This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm. During periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be automatically activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Woodley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blatford, Pulaski, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under Local Information. We now return to regular programming. Here are the 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time weather.